So you treat print for numbers without quotation marks, so something like this, and then for letters, strings with quotation marks. So you see that 3 and more codes here print. But if let's say I want to print this first. So basically all you have to do is just put it above it. So now you can see that instead of 3 more codes, it's more codes 3. So depending on the order of the action executes. If the action was first, it executes first. Programming is a top-down idea. It basically starts from the beginning and goes all the way to the bottom. Okay, I have a problem here, right? Which is more codes is very, very close to 3. I want to have some sort of space between them. So I could do something like this. Okay, so if you look at the console here, there is now a breakpoint, a break between more codes and 3. There is a whole space here in between them, right? Unlike the previous one. And that's what this part right here does. This N stands for new line. So it's basically adding a new line. And that symbol over here is called an escape character. So what it does is basically allow the N to be something else that isn't an N. So if, for example, if I remove that variable here, it's going to print more codes and then the letter N. But if I add this here, then it's going to give you a new line. And that's basically what it is. So let's say I want to put them on the same line though. So let me remove this, more codes and 3. Okay, all I have to do is just basically add this comma here and then put a 3. So now they're on the same line, more codes 3. So let's recap. Let's look here at the console. You can print more codes alone. You can print 3 and then more codes. If you want the order to be different, then you simply have to change the order of the prints yourself. You can have a new line by simply adding \n, right? This \n is called a escape character. And if you want to print them on the same line, you simply do this and you add a comma in between. That's it for printing. Remember, printing is useful when you want to see the results of whatever it is that you're doing, so you don't stay in the dark. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.